Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Minds Club, your go-to place for all things personal finance. Money management doesn't have to be complicated. If you want a simple but powerful method to budget, the 50-30-20 rule might be the right choice. This battles-tested budgeting technique will help you assign your money wisely so you can afford your needs, enjoy your wants, and guarantee your future. In this complete guide, we're going to cover everything you need to know about the 50-30-20 rule, why it works, and how to implement it in your life. What is the 50-30-20 rule? The 50-30-20 rule is a basic budgeting strategy that allocates your after-tax income into 3 categories. 50% for needs, necessary costs that are essential to your lifestyle. 30% for wants, non-mandatory spending that enhances your lifestyle. 20% for savings and debt repayment, funds dedicated to financial security and reducing liabilities. By following this rule, you can simplify your budgeting process, reduce financial stress, and build a solid foundation for future financial success. Breaking down the 50-30-20 budget rule. 50% for needs, covering the essentials. The first half of your budget should go toward essential expenses. These are the costs you can't live without, such as housing, rent or mortgage payments, utilities, electricity, water, gas, groceries, and household essentials, transportation, car payments, gas, public transit, insurance, health, auto, home, minimum debt payments to avoid penalties. If your needs exceed 50% of your income, you may need to reassess your lifestyle or find ways to cut costs. For example, consider moving to a more affordable home, carpooling, or meal prepping to save on groceries. 30% for wants, enjoying life responsibly. The next 30% of your income is reserved for wants, expenses that enhance your life but aren't strictly necessary. Examples include dining out at restaurants, entertainment, movies, concerts, streaming subscriptions, hobbies, and recreational activities, travel and vacations, upgraded gadgets or luxury items. It's important to remember that wants are optional. Overspending in this category can slow your financial goals, so use this portion of your budget smartly. 20% for savings and debt repayment, securing your financial future. The final 20% of your income is dedicated to building financial security and reducing debt. This includes saving for emergencies, aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses, contributing to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, paying down high-interest debt, credit cards, personal loans, investing in stocks, bonds, or other financial instruments. If you have significant debt, prioritize paying it off before focusing on savings. You can divert more funds towards enhancing your wealth once you're debt-free. How to implement the 50-30-20 rule. Step 1. How to calculate the 50-30-20 rule. Start by determining your monthly income after taxes. For salaried employees, this is your take-home pay after deductions for taxes, health insurance, and retirement contributions. If you're self-employed, subtract your estimated tax payments to arrive at your after-tax income. Step 2. Categorize your expenses analysis, your current spending habits, and categorize them into needs, wants, and savings, debt repayment. Use bank statements or budgeting apps to get a clear picture of where your money is going. Step 3. Adjust your spending. Compare your current expenses to the 50-30-20 rule. Recommended percentage of each part of expenses should not exceed it. If one category exceeds its recommended percentage, look for ways to adjust. For example, if needs are too high, consider downsizing your living arrangements or finding more affordable insurance plans. If you're overspending on wants, cut down non-essential subscriptions or dining out. Step 4. Automate your budget. Sticking to your budget is very important To ensure this, you can set up automatic transfers. For example, immediately after getting income or salary, pay directly 20% of your income into a savings account. This ensures you prioritize savings and debt repayment before discretionary spending. Advantages of the 50-30-20. Simplicity. The 50-30-20 rule is easy to understand and implement for beginners also. It's a straightforward budgeting system without complex calculations. 2. Flexibility. This budgeting method is adaptable to various income levels and lifestyles. The percentages remain applicable whether you fall in high income group or low income group. 3. Balanced approach. By dividing your income into needs, wants, and savings, this rule helps you maintain a balanced approach to money management. It ensures you're not neglecting any aspect of your financial well-being. 4. Encourages financial awareness. Following the 50-30-20 rule requires you to evaluate your spending habits and make intentional decisions about your finances. This increased awareness can lead to better money management and financial independence. Challenges of the 50-30-20 rule. 1. High cost of living. In areas with a high cost of living, it can be challenging to keep your essential expenses within 50% of your income. In such cases, you may need to adjust the percentages or find creative ways to reduce costs. 2. Income variability. For freelancers or gig workers with fluctuating incomes, sticking to fixed percentages may be difficult. To address this, calculate averages or set aside buffer funds during high-income months. 3. Debt prioritization. If you're carrying significant debt, the 20% allocated for savings and debt repayment may feel insufficient. You might need to prioritize debt repayment over savings until your financial situation improves. Tips for success with the 50-30-20 Rule 1. Track your spending. Regularly monitor your expenses to ensure you're sticking to your budget. 2. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts. 3. Use budgeting apps. Leverage tools like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Pocket Guard to simplify tracking and adjustments. 4. Reevaluate periodically. Life circumstances change, so revisit your budget every few months to ensure it aligns with your current financial situation. Conclusion: take control of your finances with the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is a practical and effective budgeting method that simplifies money management. By dividing your after-tax income into needs, wants, and savings, you can create a balanced budget that supports your financial goals while allowing you to enjoy life. Whether you're new to budgeting or looking for a fresh approach, the 50-30-20 rule can help you take control of your finances and achieve lasting financial stability. Start applying the 50-30-20 rule today and experience the peace of mind that comes with having a well-structured financial plan. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.